Hot lips, also known as prostitute lips, has bright red bracts that resemble lips. This tropical shrub grows in Central and South America. The bird of paradise has unusual flowers that resemble birds in flight. Native to South Africa, this flower is often used in landscape design. Jacaranda is a beautiful tree known for its bright purple-blue flowers. Native to South America, this tree is often planted in cities for its decorative qualities. The Titan arum, also known as the corpse flower, has the largest inflorescence in the world. It emits a strong smell of rotting meat to attract pollinators. The blooming occurs rarely and lasts only a few days. Chocolate cosmos is a rare flower that emits a fragrance resembling the smell of chocolate. Its dark red or almost black flowers make it unique and popular among gardeners. Thank you for watching.